Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I am fine. I am Khandakar Fazle Rabbi, lecturer, Department of Chemistry, Milestone College, Uttara. During this pandemic situation, welcome you all to our online chemistry class. My dear students, today we discuss about some important topics from chemistry second paper, chapter 2, organic chemistry. My dear students, our first topic is naming of alcohol. Alcohol is a compound in which hydroxyl group is bonded with a saturated carbon. Here given the IUPAC rules for naming alcohol. Rule number 1, the name is obtained by dropping E of alkane and adding all at the end. My dear students, so when the last E of alkane is replaced by all, then the name of that compound will be alkanol. Rule number 2, the position of the hydroxyl group should be at the lowest possible number and the position of attached carbon with the hydroxyl group is indicated by a hyphen between the number. Rule number 3, substituents are numbered, named, placed as prefix in alphabetic order. Rule number 4, in cyclic compound, hydroxyl group takes the position, so the relative position of substituents are mentioned by the numbers. My dear students, according to our discussion, now we can say that when one hydrogen atom is replaced from alkane and added hydroxyl group, then the compound will be alkanol. Here the compound is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. According to our discussion, this is carbon number 1, 2 and 3. Here hydroxyl group present in carbon number 1. So the name of this compound is 1-propanol. 1-propanol. In this compound, if we number the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, here the hydroxyl group present in carbon number 2, so the name of this compound is 2-butanol. This is 2-butanol. My dear students, in this compound, here we see that this is hydroxyl group and this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see that here in carbon number 3, one substituent is present and this is methyl group. This is methyl group. So the name of this compound is 3-methyl 2-butanol. 3-methyl-2-butanol. Again, in this compound, here we see that 5 carbon is present, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we number the carbon present in the parent chain, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here chlorine is present in second carbon. So the name of this compound is 2-chloro 3-pentanol. 2-chloro-3-pentanol. And in this compound in parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon is present, and two substituent, this is 1 and 2, two methyl group present in this compound, and the position of this two substituent is number 4 carbon. So the name of this compound is 4,4 dimethyl 2 propanol. This is 4,4 dimethyl 2 pentanol. My dear students, they are given two cyclic alcohol, and we know that in cyclic compound hydroxyl group takes the place number 1 or position number 1. So if we number the carbon, that is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can also number the carbon like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But my dear students, according to alphabetic order, we have to select this direction. This direction means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because here present ethyl group and this is methyl group. So the name of this compound is 2-ethyl 5-methyl cyclohexanol. This is 2-ethyl 5-methyl cyclohexanol. And if we see this compound, this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the name of this compound is 4-methyl cyclohexanol. My dear students, now we discuss about the naming of aldehyde, and here IUPAC rules for naming aldehyde. My dear students, in this method aldehydes are named as alkanal. So the functional group of aldehyde, my dear students, the functional group of aldehyde, that is CHO, and the structural formula of aldehyde, that is COH. This is aldehyde. Here the rule number 1 for naming aldehyde by IUPAC system, first one is the name is obtained by dropping E from alkane, and at the end L is added. So if we see alkane, the E of alkane replaced by L, and the name formed now alkanal. Rule number 2, the aldehyde carbon is numbered as 1 and it is located at one end of the main chain. Now rule number 3, the substituents are numbered, named and placed as prefix in alphabetic order. And rule number 4, when there are two aldehyde groups in a molecule, aldehyde is named as alkanediol. That means the E of alkane is retained. My dear students, according to our discussion, we can say that the name of this compound is methanol. Methanol, because here one carbon is present, and here the number of CHO is 1 and this is 2, and 2 carbon is present in this compound, so this is ethanol. In this compound, this is carbon number 1, 2, 3 and 4, so we can say that this is butanol. And in this compound, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the main chain, and one substituent present in carbon number 3, and this is a methyl group, so the name of this compound is 3-methyl butanol. And in this compound, my dear students, in this compound 2 aldehyde group is present, so this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we say that in position carbon number 1 and 5, 2 aldehyde group is present, so the name of this compound is 1,5-pentane dial. Again, my dear students, when the CHO group is attached to an aromatic ring, the compound is named as benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde, and in this compound we see that here one substituent is present, so this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 2-methyl benzaldehyde. My dear students, now we discuss about the naming of ketones. This is the functional group of ketone, RCOR, and IUPAC rules for naming ketones. My dear students, in this method ketones are named as alkanone. That means, so when the E of alkane is replaced by -one, then we get alkanone. That means by dropping E of alkane and adding -one at the end. Now rule number 1, number the chain in such a way that the lowest possible number is given to carbonyl carbon. Rule number 2, substituents are named, numbered and placed as prefix in alphabetic word. Rule number 3, in case of 2 keto groups, the compound is named as dione. My dear students, according to our discussion, now we named this compound. At first, in this compound, if we number the main chain carbon, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon is present in the main chain. We can also number by this way 1, 2, 3, 4, but number in the chain in such a way that the lowest possible number is given to the carbonyl carbon. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer, and the name of this compound is 2-butanone. This is 2-butanone, and for this compound the correct order is 1 2 3 4 5, and the carbonyl group present in second carbon. So the name of this carbon is 2-pentanone. 2-pentanone. And here in this compound one substituent is present, and this is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 carbons are present in the main chain or the parent chain. The name of this compound is 4-methyl pentane 2-one or 4-methyl 2-pentanone. And here we can see that 2 keto group is present, and for this case when 2 keto group is present, then the compound is named as dione. This is dione, and we can say the name of this compound is 2,4-pentadione. And my dear students, for aromatic ketones, special name is occurred ophenone. Ophenone is at the end of that compound. That means if we see about this compound CO, that is this is benzophenone. This is benzophenone. My dear students, now we discuss about the naming of carboxylic acid, and here we discuss about the IUPAC rules for naming carboxylic acid. Dear students, this is the functional group of carboxylic acid, bond COOH. In this method, that means IUPAC system, acids are named as alkanoic acid. That means so when the last E of alkane is replaced by oic acid, then we get the name is alkanoic acid. And these are the rules for naming carboxylic acid. Rule number 1, number the carbon chain starting with carboxylic acid as number 1. It is always located at the end of the chain. This is the first rule. And second rule, substituents are named, position is numbered, placed as prefix in alphabetic word. My dear students, and the last rule is an acid containing 2 carboxylic acid, that means 2COOH group, is named as alkane dioic acid. That means the E of alkane is retained. My dear students, according to our discussion, now we name this compound. The first compound is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid, because here 1 carbon is present, and for this compound, this is carbon number 1 and 2, this is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. And in this compound, this is carbon number 1, because this is the carboxyl group or carboxylic acid group. This is carbon number 1, this is 2, this is 3 and 4, and methyl group is the substituent for this compound. So we can write the name of this compound is 3-methyl butanoic acid. 3-methyl butanoic acid. And my dear students, in this compound, this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon is present in the parent chain, and we can see that here 2 substituent is present. First one is bromo and methyl group, and according to alphabetic order, bromine comes first. So we write the name of this compound 3-bromo 4-methyl pentanoic acid. Okay, my dear students, now in this compound we see that here 2 carboxylic group is present, and if this carbon is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6, and here 6 carbon is present in the parent chain. So we can name this this compound is 1,6 hexane dioic acid. 1,6 hexane dioic acid. Okay, my dear students,